Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It comes with great features you love: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror mounted spotlights, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Sam Pack's 5-Star Ford, every vehicle we sell is thoroughly inspected before you buy. Come see us today. We're conveniently located on the Northeast Loop 820 at Root Snow Drive in North Richland Hills.